Okay, sometimes you want to install a new trigger shoe or new trigger in your Glock pistol or Polymer 80 pistol. Now, sometimes when you buy a new trigger or a trigger shoe, it will come with a free trigger bar. Sometimes the new trigger bar will come in a baggie that has a sticker on it saying free gift. From talking to others and from my own experience, using the free trigger bar is not always a good choice. Even though they look nearly identical, they are still slightly different than the original, and they usually come from China. I have found that the new trigger, when installed with these free trigger bars, won't reset. So basically it just doesn't work. At least that's my experience when trying them in Polymer 80 Glock type pistols. You can try them if you want. They may work for you. Either way, if you're not a gunsmith, you should pay one to inspect your new trigger installation and verify it is working properly and that all the safeties, like the drop safety, is still effective. Anyway, that's why when adding a new trigger, I use the old trigger bar. Or you could buy a new trigger bar from a reputable dealer in the US if you'd like. Here's how to remove the old trigger. There is no way to remove the small pin that holds the original trigger shoe to the trigger bar without punching a small hole through the plastic on the opposite side of the pin. So try to find a way to estimate the placement of the pin from the opposite side. I did this by drawing some lines and came close enough to remove the pin. If you miss the pin entirely and it doesn't start to come out, then try another spot. Just don't pound so hard that you bend the trigger bar. Although the trigger bar is pretty strong and unlikely to become deformed, unless you really pounded it. Take my smallest punch that I have, which is about the size of that little pin in here, and put it right here, right where the pin approximately should be. Once you've removed the pin and are able to pull it out, you can remove the trigger bar. Now you're ready to put a new trigger on the trigger bar. Watch my next video on how to install a new trigger on the Staccato channel. Thanks for watching.
Just click here to subscribe to the Staccato channel. Well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe already. Why don't you?